In this video, I'm going to show you how to update WordPress plugins both automatically and manually. So here we are in the WordPress dashboard, and we're going to go ahead and click on plugins over here on the left hand side of the screen. Now, as you can see, a 1 is next to plugins in red, and that means that there is one plugin that needs to be updated. So I'm going to go ahead and click on plugins, and I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to see which one it is. So it's this Lightspeed Cache that needs to be updated. So it does tell me that there is a new version of Lightspeed Cache available. I can click on it for the details, or I can click on Update Now. Now there's a couple things that I can do here. First of all, I'm just going to click on I can either click on the Update Now link here and it will automatically update, or I can go ahead and I can check mark this and go up to bulk actions and click on update here, and then click on apply. Now this is useful if you have a lot of plugins and you have more than one that's ready to be updated. That way you don't have to click on update now on every single one of them. You can click, like if I would need, like if all of these would need to be updated, I can just check mark all of these and then go ahead and click update here and then apply. So for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and click on Update Now, and it is updating. It shouldn't take too long, and it says it's updated. Now, a big time saver here, what we can really do is we can enable automatic updates, and we do that over here on the right side of the screen where it says Automatic Updates. Each one of these is a link, so we would need to click Enable Automatic Updates on every one that every single plugin that we would want to be auto updated. Now we can also click up here and auto select all of them by clicking the check mark here, and it will automatically check mark all of them. And then we need to go to the down arrow here in this box and click on enable updates, and we can click apply, and it will automatically enable all the updates on all of our plugins. So as we can see, now they say disable auto updates, which means that they will all be auto updated. And when they do get auto updated, you will be given an email. An email will be sent to you if you go into settings in general, and an email will be sent to you where this administration email address. So I hope you found this video helpful on how to update your plugins, or WordPress plugins, both automatically and manually. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like below. Also subscribe to the channel. I got more how-to videos on WordPress and web hosting coming up in the near future, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.